Ever wondered why some banks seem to be left out of the Zelle party? Today, we're diving deep into the world of mobile payments to uncover the banks that haven't joined the Zelle bandwagon. What is Zelle? A brief explanation of Zelle as a peer-to-peer payment platform. Benefits of Zelle: highlight the convenience and speed of Zelle transactions. Popularity of Zelle: mention Zelle's growing popularity among consumers. Why banks might opt out: discuss potential reasons why banks might choose not to participate in Zelle, such as cost, the potential financial implications of joining Zelle. Risk, security concerns and liability issues associated with Zelle. Competition, the impact of other payment platforms like Venmo and Cash App. Internal policies, bank-specific reasons for not adopting Zelle. The list. Start with a shocker. Begin by mentioning a major bank that doesn't use Zelle to capture the viewer's attention. Categorize banks. Organize the list of banks into categories based on size, location, or other relevant factors. This can help viewers easily find the information they need. Provide details. For each bank, include bank name. Clearly state the name of the bank. Reason for non-participation. If possible, mention the specific reason why the bank hasn't joined Zelle. Alternatives. Suggest alternative payment methods that customers of these banks can use. Visual aids. Use graphics or images to illustrate the list of banks and their locations. Additional considerations. Updates. Mention that the list might change over time due to bank mergers, acquisitions, or policy changes. Viewer engagement. Encourage viewers to share their experiences with Zelle or other payment platforms in the comments section. Call to action. Ask viewers to subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and updates. Briefly summarize the key points covered in the video. Offer a final thought or opinion on the future of Zelle and mobile payments. End the video with a strong closing statement, such as, "With that said, thanks for watching and until next time."